Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how to make an adorable carrot door hanger out of one of our kits. If you don't get one of these kits, you can still definitely learn some paint techniques along the way. This is a coral color that we're using. I decorate in a little bit of different colors and I go a little bit non-traditional in a lot of my decorating. So we're actually going to paint the base of the carrot coral, and then we're going to use a tealish minty color for the stalks. Once you have the base of your carrot colored whatever you want, we're going to use my special technique that I use, this little Dollar Tree crafter's tool, and we're going to just add a little bit of paint dimension along the edges of the carrot, and we actually are doing it across the stalks of the carrot too. I use this technique. If you guys have been around for any period of time, you know that this is my favorite technique to do on really 99% of my pieces, and you're gonna love it. Now we're going to create our traditional scrappy bow. Bows make everything go over the top, and it really sets off this carrot. Again, I'm using non-traditional colors, so use the colors that you want. And since this is a door hanger and you want it to be seen from the street or anybody that's coming to your home from a little bit further away, I would use wider ribbon. The yellow and the gray ribbon are actually and the coral ribbon are actually 2.5 inches wide. And so it's going to be a perfect big base for your carrot. We're simply squeezing the pieces together, as you can see, before I lay them in, and that's just going to keep some of the bulk down. You really squeezing it together is really perfect for a lot of the bigger bows that we're going to make. We're simply layering our pieces and then we're going to tie it all together. I did add some of this amazing tulle. I got this tulle around Halloween because I thought it looked like spider webs, but it was really cute for this project as well. I love using the addition of tulle. It just helps your bows be a little bit more full and vibrant. Now it's time to put this beauty on this carrot. I did hot glue it down, but you could actually take the twine that you used to tie the bow and tie it around the stem. You guys know I love pearls. I've been using them a lot this year in my spring stuff, and so I added some to the center of the bow. Check it out, you guys. I absolutely love this. It is one of my favorite door hangers. I hope you learned a few little tricks along the way, and if you love this DIY and enjoy all things home creative, please visit theruffleddaisy.org. And make sure you're following me on all the social media channels so you do not miss a thing. We have a lot of fun here on this page.